Danny at Midway showing you the amazing 265 FKS Bullet. Up front, got your Furrion 12-volt fridge. They took out that gas, electric in the back, so it's way deep on right now, running off the solar up top. Same with the freezer, just incredibly deep, a ton of space. Good locks right there, they won't pop open. Up front, you got your 3-way microwave, convection, air fryer, and a normal microwave, all built into one. 3-burner gas top with your oven. Over here, you just amazing amount of storage. They really just kind of tucked it in everywhere. That back there hides your plumbing, so it just looks very, very classy. Got the drying rack on the sink. My favorite feature up front, blackout shade, and you can put it away. You can't see in from the outside. It looks like a painted piece, but inside you get some really cool amber, regular, natural light coming in. Shelving up top, classic Bullet trim around, does a really good job. Over here, you've got your switches, control these lights. Blackout shade with some beautiful valances, and then your table. Recliners right here by Thomas Payne, really comfortable. Facing your fireplace, which is electric. The best thing about this is only this small section right here gets hot, so if you have little hands or a pup, they're not going to burn themselves down here, but you can change those flames. Really just kind of set the mood for in here. Storage built in the couch too, missed that. Blackout shades throughout. Jack and Jill TV or bathroom, so you can come from both sides. We'll explore it from the other side, but as you see, you can come right in there. Still shut it here. And back through this door here, you've got your main bedroom. The slide the bed is on your slide, so it's super deep. Big bed here. Blackout shades continue throughout. Best thing about Keystone is every window in this coach, minus that front painted one, opens. So if you have cross breeze coming through, if you want to run that air conditioning, get that good mountain air in here. Wardrobe, best thing about a front kitchen is you get this huge wardrobe here, hang up across the top, hang more storage over here, built-in dresser down there. This set of stairs will fold out just like the main stairs, so you can have that door that comes straight in here, or have it like this. And then finishing up in your Jack and Jill bathroom, that's that other door that leads out. You got a medicine cabinet built in. Corner shower, it's real big, those slide and come in. To worry about cleaning them or having a tension rod fall. Got your commode, porcelain bottom on that. And right here is your control for your tankless hot water heater. It's got an onboard, on-demand tankless hot water heater. Control it from right here. Really cool. It shows a flame on here so you know that water heater's working, whether you're doing your little sink, your shower, what have you. Solar on the roof. As we come back up into the main area, I missed some more storage right here. Can't leave that out. Right as you come in, your hats, gloves, boots, what have you. Solar up top, it is the extended camping package. You have that good heated and enclosed underbelly, membrane roof, really just solid coach all the way around. Thanks.